Hi, my name is Isaac and I want to share my experience here studying at Canadian College. I graduated from IT Diploma and Co-op, and now I'm currently doing my Project Management Diploma. When I was doing my IT Diploma and it was time to find a co-op, there was an open position here at the college and I applied and got the job. I chose IT Diploma because I really like computers, and this diploma allows you to get work experience. So the CompTIA course prepares you for troubleshooting, hardware and software, and that's excellent if you want to work as IT support. It's also very helpful to get other certificates. This course prepares you to get more certificates. In my case, I have a Cisco technician cybersecurity and Google IT support. So when I joined IT back in 2 years ago, the curriculum was designed for that time. Now they have upgraded the program, including cloud computing classes, which are also very useful in IT, and it's adapting to what the employers need nowadays. The most challenging thing for me when I first came, I believe, was adapting to the weather of Vancouver. Coming from Mexico, it's super different, and I think you really have to put some effort to get used to it. But at the end, it's just worth it. And also, if you get to the summer, it's really nice. It's my favorite part of Vancouver. I love it. And for this summer, we had the opportunity to join a soccer tournament, and we also won the soccer tournament. It was really, really nice. And the team, we made really good relationships, everyone, and I think everyone was really, really happy, not only for winning, but to making friends at the end. If you're curious about studying in another country like Canada, I would definitely recommend it. The experience is really worth it, whether you are someone with no experience, and also if you are already a professional in IT, this diploma will add a lot to your background and to your skill set.